welcome on the stage Dr. Sudhir Bola to share his insights on the subject, impact of lifestyle on our health.
Good evening, and thank you very much, Times Cyber Media, for inviting me here as a speaker. Well, here I would say the National Health Policy 2070 has been drafted very nicely and very intelligently. I think I won't elaborate it much because Dr. Tejinder has already given a very good clue about that. Here I would just like to convey my opinion about today's changing lifestyles and the problems which are emerging and which are going to affect our future generations. Like right now, in fact, all the today's children, they are just into the competition for getting more and more percentages, then into their careers. They want to have everything in a very short span of time. Even if it is, bodybuilding, they want the body to be built within 2 months or 3 months. But that should not be the case. You take our predecessors and our forefathers. Everybody used to have patience and they used to just do whatever they achieve in a proper time. Here now, right now, the thing is such that even when it's a matter of career, they are more interested in developing the career and they just forget that their life also want a proper, what I say, that one should marry in time. The ideal age for marriage is, for a man, it should be 24 to 25. Whereas in case of women, it should be 23, 24. Nowadays, whatever patients I receive in all the clinics, they are either married after 30th year or even after that. So the impact of that late marriage is going to affect our future generations. The quality of life they are going to get is very, very low. And this is being kept on dragging day by day and year by year and decades. Now we should stop and ask our children to just think for yourself, what is the limit to your career and what is the limit to your achievements? Let everything go side by side. If you marry at the right time, you will have good children. Same way, you will be able to nurture their lives in a better way. Right now, everybody is just rushing to job, rushing to their careers, even in a small, tender age of, say, 18 or 19 years, a person is offered BOP jobs of a call center. They are getting very good salaries. They are just lured to that, just for that. And they don't know that they are ruining their lives, their health, just by working the whole night and sleeping the whole day. Their metabolism is totally damaged that way. Their mental situation is completely out of their control. So here I would just like to say that one should have something, at least they should have a clear picture what they should do. Can you tell me one thing? Even everybody knows, there is written in the Shastras, Pehla Sukh Nirogi Kaya. Who is looking after that right now? So, in fact, your health should be given the first preference. The priority should be your health. And for that, you have to maintain the healthy lifestyle. Simply by giving just half an hour, at the most 45 minutes to your body in the morning. that gives you lot of stamina, lot of good energy for you to work. So I think if I just keep on saying on this topic, it will take so much of time. Finally, I would just ask everybody to just follow yourself as well as just tell your subordinates, your children, everybody, don't compromise with your health by just sacrificing your lifestyle. Because everything you can get if you are healthy. If you are healthy, you are wealthy. Money is no problem. Just keep on doing, giving 100% to your job or whatsoever you are doing. Money will come automatically. You need not just rush behind or run behind the money. Money will come as it is, whatever is destined in your life. So first of all, take care of your health by just practicing good and healthy lifestyle. I think I'll conclude with that. Thank you.
The award for the category Best Sexologist in India, and this award is backed by Dr. Sudhir Bhola. Please welcome on stage Dr. Sudhir Bhola to receive this award.